Let's face it, Python is a beginner-friendly language. But it's also full of sneaky traps that can trip you up. Here are 10 common Python mistakes to avoid. First, don't confuse the equal sign with the comparison operator in Python. You compare things using double equal signs. Next, always pay attention to indentation. Python uses indentation to define blocks of code. So, if you forget to indent, your code won't run. Be careful when using mutable default arguments like lists. If you don't set a default value for a list, then you'll get an empty list. But there's a better way. Use none. Mixing tabs and spaces is a big no. In Python, stick to for spaces. And here's a tricky one. The is and the double equal sign are not the same thing. In Python, you use the double equal sign to compare values. When printing, don't use the plus sign to concatenate strings. It's messy and it's slow. Instead, use an F string. Don't fall into the off by 1 trap with the range function. In Python, range 1, 10 stops at 9, not 10. If your function isn't returning anything, you probably forgot to put in a return statement. Next, don't repeat yourself if you're doing the same thing over and over again. It's time to write a loop or a function, and lastly, don't ignore errors. Python has a lot of built-in error handling. Tools like try and except, learn how to use them. This is part of a series we have more videos on this channel. Check out the playlist. Lastly, don't forget to follow. We write code that works, not just code that runs.